So I'm traveling to the post office right now. I'm traveling a little later because my sister took the card with her, the debit card, and yeah. So now I had to wait, but I'm headed now. And I don't know if y'all saw my story right on Instagram, how there was like fucking water coming out like urine.
Hell no! Check this out. What the fuck is that? Oh!
Called the water department. They said that they were cleaning out the fire hydrants or something like that. But you never know. Like, you really never know when they're doing these cleanings. They don't tell us. Shit. And so yeah, like that's why you need to get an alkalizing water machine. You need to get a water distiller. Or you need to make your own filter with like some gravel, some sand, some charcoal, rocks and stuff like that. You can make your own. You can buy one. Yeah, because a lot of us, we still drink tap water, or sometimes we're even cooking with it. We never know. But it can get you really fucked up. It can get you really fucked up. Wonder what's going on over there. They probably dropped the body off. So no, let me not say that, because maybe they fucking did. Yeah, so you never know what's going on. So you never know when they're gonna supposedly clean out the waters, or you never know when it's junk, and you could be cooking with it. I know a lot of y'all cooking your rice with it, cooking your meat, your beans. Get you some cleaner water. Heck, even buying or going to a health food store that has like a water machine in there. You can refill your own tanks. Get your water tanks in there and refill them. Take your gallons, refill them up. It's a lot cheaper too. It's like 39 cents a gallon. Our bodies are gunked up, are obstructed with a whole bunch of undigested things, and it's because they're unnatural, and then also because of not having proper hydration to allow all these things to process, to get through your system. Drinking 1 ounce of water a day, every day, per pound of weight that you are. 1 ounce of water per pound of weight daily, and drinking more whenever you're feeling lightheaded, feeling hunger pains, if you are feeling headaches or having like withdrawal symptoms whenever you're cleansing, drink more. Especially if you're water fasting too, drink more. So I'm starting off this series where y'all can either leave me a DM or leave me a text or an email, and I'll read it and I'll respond it openly on video, and I'll post it here on YouTube so that y'all can all see it. So yeah, if y'all interested in a show like that, comment down below. And yeah, if y'all have any other questions regarding the topic on water, hit me up and hit me up in the comment section below. DM me. I'm gonna leave my information in the description so you can just